are in Pondicherry, bro. You can like
देख सब लोग इधर देखो लग रहा है इधर देख ये फोटो निकाल अभी अन्ना फोटो निकालो ना ओ वेट ट्रिपो डाला है कौन है यार लगेगा वो सब
अंदर नहीं लगेगा ना
अन्ना अंदर नहीं
एक सेकंड
एक मिनट तेरा गोप्रो बचा रे
मुझे इतना तकलीफ क्यों हो
चलो
रहा है?
चलो एक एक करके साइड में बाजू तेरे को लगेगा वहाँ पे
कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? कैसा रहा जर्नी आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस?
एक नंबर
So we have reached Auroville and we're gonna start shooting up the footage for the day.
Yo.
Suppi, the cameraman, our photographer, Ajin. And we have these two nuts, Binu and Saili. Saili, hi.
Hey.
And we got Praveen over here. और हमारे साथ है स्मार्टेस्ट बॉय Auroville.
धूप में टोपी पहन लो यार तुम।
ओहो फुल फास्ट फॉरवर्ड एकदम
अभी रिदम में
Please come, sir.
Yes.
The monument's name is called a Shore Temple. The temple is a built type of the temple, constructed a temple built by Pallava King Narasimhavarman II. Nickname is Rajasimha. 700 to 728 AD. The king ruling period 28 year. At the time like this, total 7 temple built here. Now left here only one temple. That one is a fisherman colony. That one is a fisherman port. Now civilization change. All the cottages stay in tourist and restaurant and resort. Fishermen now very rich people. The red color takes a look the tallest building, more growing the coconut tree behind one. That one is a Radisson group of water.
Yes, yes. अरे यहाँ पर है वो जो तो बोला ना क्या कैफे है वो?
Sir, this one of the new constructed. That one is a new constructed. Middle is a old one. Here Pallava Kingdom 7th century used the harbour, seaport. Here to port it transported to South Asian country, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, China, Japan, etc. The kind of the stone name is laterite.
Okay.
The kind of the stone name is laterite. The stone is a weightless and salinity, salt water, no erosion. Laterite.
എടാ ഇവിടെ ഷിപ്പ് വന്ന് നിൽക്കുന്നത് ആ സമയത്ത്
क्या क्या क्या
ഷിപ്പ് आके रुकता था इधर
हाँ
ये क्यों है फिर?
वो है एक्चुअल वाला पोर्ट वो टाइम का बना है
अच्छा तो इन्होंने ये अभी नया बिल्ड किया है
Very far, look there, 4 tower visible there,
Yes.
future area.
Yes.
That one is a nuclear power plant in Kalpakam.
कल्पाकम
Tsunami day, no damage, it is still now working.
Nuclear?
power plant,
हाँ.
Kalpakam.
न्यूक्लियर पावर है वो अजैन
Look here, the temple is a built type of the temple, granite stone layer, stone layer, stone layer, stone layer. 7th century no cement, 7th century used the blue sand and egg white and walnut and porcelain lime. 1400 year old, you touch now? Still now very strong. Glue.
यस यस you're on start
Yeah, each stone having nice sculpture carved here. The temple every minute damaged by sea water spray from the atmosphere. You know saline? Erasing the carving. Earlier top to bottom plaster of Paris applied, then spray the water. The plaster of Paris absorb the saline after fall down. Modern day chemical treatment used to remove the saline. Ammonia and water used to remove the dust. Then pulp paper, PULP. Applied on stone, then silicon dioxide used to remove the saline. Every year's one, top to bottom, funded by UNESCO. 1400 years before this one of the emergency exit. Main pathway that way.
ओ भाई साहब किसने सोचा सुनी
अरे माँ कसम
दिख नहीं रहा
Padmanabha.
पद्मनाभ स्वामी
Yeah.
ब्रह्मा है बड़ा
Side is standing. Please come. The sunlight come here, visible very clear.
Okay, okay.
This one of the middle room here. Look here, Lord Vishnu reclining, lying position of the sculpture.
Yes.
The sculpture carved from single stone carving, the natural bedrock, first here carving, then built this temple. Natural pathar ke first either carving, then built this mandir.
Okay, okay.
You already seen Padmanabha temple in Thiruvananthapuram, Srirangam temple in Tiruchirappalli, Tirupati Govinda Swami is the same position of the churches. All modern temple built by the king name is Krishna Deva Raya above 14th century. This temple is a 8th century AD. The king Krishna Deva Raya maybe copied these churches.
Oh my, okay.
Old day no electricity, on board to natural light use. The door only new, all everything old 1400 year old.
नहीं पद्मनाभ है ना इधर से ना इसके नेवल से लोटस आता है लोटस में ब्रह्मा बैठते हैं ब्रह्मा का जन्म उसमें हुआ था हाँ ब्रह्मा बैठता है वो मैं बता
Okay sir?
Okay.
One
Ajin.
The entrance is a sunrise direction energy, east direction. Inside on wall, same god and goddess there. Lord Shiva, his wife Parvati, baby name is Kartikeyan there, after two sculpture Brahma, Vishnu. The cylindrical stone name is called as Sivaling, symbol of Lord Shiva. The Sivaling made by black granite stone, old one now is very shining now. We are seeing all the places Sivaling is a cylindrical shape. Here look the double hexagonal.
Yeah, hexagon.
16 page linga, hexagonal. The linga name is called Thora Lingam. Pallava dynasty, Anandhavan dynasty, Chalukya king war period damaged the top. But the Chalukya king name is Pulikesi II. Mughal did not come here. No, 23 Pulikesi film. Pulikesi II.
क्या देखना वापस थोड़ी आना स्मेल ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है
बाहर का यूरिन का ओ भाई साहब क्या काटेला है भाई
क्या डैमेज किया वॉल में क्या
ऊपर
इतना शाइन कैसे हो रहा है ये
क्या मालूम
खासियत है ना ग्रेनाइट का
अरे कितना साल पुराना मालूम है
हाँ वही
पॉलिश थोड़ी
दस बीस जन्म ले सकते हैं।
ये भी ग्रेनाइट है रे
1800 2000 साल पुराना है चलो
Snake.
Yes, yes.
This one, that one, tsunami during time collected from seashore area. Before the tsunami, this one, that one under the ocean of Bay of Bengal. This kind of the stone is a iron rust more content. Look here, iron rust. Please come. Here, please here.
तो कैसा कैसा लॉजिक लगाता रहेगा रे इन लोग
आर्कियोलॉजी
This
डिपार्टमेंट
one of
लगा ये नहीं
the
लगा
identification snake is carved here. This one of the Brahma.
Brahma, okay. Yeah, this.
तीन मुंडी दिखा ना
Individual god, animal sacrifice place. Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu is the animal sacrifice place. 4 person catches like 1 person cut the cut. Now here no prayer banned by Indian government.
But wait there. In a line, जल्दी खड़े रहो. जा बेना.
आएगा अभी नहीं
क्या है
अभी नहीं देखने का है मेरे को
Fire आता.
Stopping la.
ऐसा लगता नहीं कि इन लोगों ने बनाया है अभी अभी
Sir, please.
चलो
This temple is a Brahma temple. Here look there, Brahma having 4 faces, each direction, each face. The chariot name is a Dudista chariot. That one is a Hariharan. Harihara meaning Vishnu and Shiva together joining.
ओह
That one is a Shiva identification, arm folding, hanging, snake name is Cobra. The hairstyle is a Egyptian style. Ancient Pallava king, harbor here, seaport here.
इजिप्शियन स्टाइल
This one of the Lord Ganesha, incomplete one, 1400 year old.
1400.
That one is a Shiva, identification Snake. Seventh century, this method way used splitting the rock, breaking the rock. 7th century, no dynamite.
ഡാ വേഗം വാ അവനെ വിളിക്കേ വാ 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 വേഗം വാ ടേക്ക്
Iron chisel and hammer help put in on the rock, 4-inch hole serially on the rock. Then inside the hole filled by wood. Then pour the water. The water purpose wooden expand. Finally, particularly middle of only one hole, inside the long iron chisel with the hammer. Entire rock was broken. This technique is Egyptian technology. Here incomplete work, complete work there. Later I saw there.
Anna, good time pick.
The god name is Triloka.
Identification?
Unidentified. ഇതിന് കലശ് ഇതിന് ടോപ്പില് ഈ സാധനം കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് അത് ടോപ്പിൽ വെക്കുന്നത്.
പക്ഷെ ഇത് ഒരു കല്ലിലല്ല ഉണ്ടാക്കി, എന്നാലും ഇത് എന്തിനു മേളിൽ കൊണ്ടുവന്ന്
क्या क्या?
ഒരു കല്ലിലല്ല
ഒരു കല്ലിൽ അവർ ഉണ്ടാക്കും. അതെന്നിട്ട് ये बनाने के बाद ना ये फिर ऊपर लिफ्ट करके लोग ऊपर रखते हैं. तो ये इनकम्प्लीट है, ये लोग ऊपर रखा नहीं.
Again, look at this carving is very important one, half male, half female. Shiva and Parvati together joining. Ardhanari sir.
कहाँ पे?
देखना एक तरफ फीमेल है एक तरफ मेल है वो
ओ
हाफ फीमेल है, दैट इज पार्वती, और हाफ मेल है. ओके, दोनों का एक रूप है वो.
भाई इतना सब कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है तो क्लैप भी कर सकते क्या?
नंदी भारी बनाया.
नंदी देखना यार.
मस्त बना है ना
एक मिनट आगे ले लेते थोड़ा छाव में बैठ कर.
Krishna holding the mountain of Govardhana. One sculpture carving here, also known as this place name is called Krishna Matapa. The type of architecture name is a base relief. This one of the hill mountain, Pataka mountain. The sculpture carving Ejjan hill. This one of the Pallava king, Mahamallan king, 7th century AD. Please come here.
Okay sir.
Here come, here come. Go there.
అన్న ఫోన్ అన్న అన్న
Recently, see what you like. You go there. This body above look there. Baby one, mother one. This animal will give milk. Which animal? What animal?
which one cow no
काव.
Gaya ka bacha. Now look here. Full.
elephant
Elephant and elephant baby. Now look here cow and cow. Now look here elephant and elephant baby. 2 in 1.
oh nice
Please come, I will story. This sculpture explains Krishna's history. The tribe of people names are Cowherd and Cowherders. Gopalan and Gopika. The Krishna lifted the mountain of Govardhana like an umbrella, protected the heavy rain. Please come. The Krishna's family, brother Balaram, father Nandagopal, mother Yasoda. Please come. The cowboy milking from cow, it is a Buddha style. Look at the cowboy playing a flute, the baby listening playing a flute. Mother say, stop the playing of the flute, reason the baby, don't drink the mother milk. The baby listening playing a flute. The lady carrying milk pot.
okay
The lady carrying on-cut fodder, kettle foot, bull, big muscle. The legs will get gap. The naturally bull stand like an intermediate cup, it is naturally carved from the rock. Please come here.
ये तो ध्यान ही नहीं किया मेरा
A lion body with a woman head, giant woman having mustache. This one of the Sphinx sculpture. Sphinx. Egypt, yeah. Lion body with the head is a eagle head. That one is a Greek sculpture. Lion body with the head is crocodile. That one is a Roman sculpture. Egyptian, Greek, and Roman. But this one of the Pallava king lion symbol. This sculpture is 7th century AD. Later the roofing. The roofing is a 14th century. 700 years before open place. The roofing purposes protected this carving. The roofing, the temple built by the king name is Krishna Deva Raya, 14th century.
Sided.
Being god and demigod and human being and house animal and forest animal and hunter, everything placed into Arjuna. Why Arjuna is standing on one foot penance? The Arjuna get weapon from Lord Shiva.
Arjuna.
Weapon means Bhagirath. Bhagirath means Lord Shiva actually
ये क्या सीन है? अबे गिरेगा नहीं क्या ये?
नहीं गिरता ना भाई.
Wait, I do story. After you take photo.
कम निषेध.
The big stone name is called Krishna Butterball, Vennacle.
Traveling to Mumbai, bro. Traveling to Mumbai.
So guys, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell notification icon. Thanks for watching the video.